Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have tenant admin or site creation rights and that licensing supports modern sites. Once done, choose between a communication site for broadcasting versus a team site for collaboration and assign owners and membership. Next, create a clear site name, write a concise description, upload a logo, set default language, and apply a classification label. These first actions give structure and governance. They reduce rework later and let you move into template selection and customization confidently. Now you'll build the site's backbone. Pick a template, create core pages, and optionally associate with a hub for consistent navigation. Once those are in place, define the main navigation and create document libraries and lists. Apply metadata columns and content types so search and filters work well. Then set up permission groups and granular access, add site scripts or designs, and place web parts to organize content. These detailed steps shape daily use, so test a sample workflow before adding bulk content. To finish, review site settings and compliance policies, confirm permissions, and publish key pages. Then train owners and editors, enable search indexing, and configure external sharing only if necessary. Make sure the homepage and navigation are intuitive. After launch, monitor usage analytics, set retention labels, and schedule backups. If something breaks, a frequent fix is resetting permission inheritance or reassigning the site owner. Check audit logs and restore a backup if content vanished. That single troubleshooting tip saves hours when permissions cause issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.